Thank you, Margaret. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I am Alpheus and I lead the engineering capabilities for the group. So what is engineering, you may be asking? Engineering may be a foreign term in financial services, but very fitting and common in platform and technology businesses. Building on Sim's comments earlier, engineering brings together all the infrastructure capabilities we use to deliver the group's services. It includes technology, operations, security, data and analytics, partnership delivery, and real estate services. These capabilities provide the always-on, always secure digital foundation required for excellent execution and to enable new revenues and provide a superior customer and partner experience. Engineering, working with client solutions, act as an integrator, an enabler of the group platform in pursuit of the group platform business ambitions. In terms of the agenda today, I will reflect briefly on our journey to date and provide a snapshot of what the future holds. I will describe the key shifts required as we move from technology to engineering, and then provide an overview of our key capabilities and approach. And finally, I will outline our key success measures as we play our role in delivering the group's Standard Bank 25 strategic priorities and targets. To provide context on where we're going, it is important we reflect on where we have come from and on the changing world around us. Global financial services organizations have undergone numerous transformations over the last 2 decades. In the early 2000s, traditional banks were largely product-focused, and advancements in technology saw the onset of massive computing power. We weren't much different, with Standard Bank following the global trends of significant investment in physical infrastructure such as data centers and technologies such as mainframes to enable the rapid expansion and the planned growth. This trend saw large capital investments with multi-year payback periods. The period post-2010 saw organizations seeking to shift to digital banks, replacing their aging, hard-to-maintain legacy core banking systems with modern new ones. We too chose to praise our core banking systems. We implemented SAP in South Africa and Finacle in most of our African operations. Once that had been completed, we turned our focus to the client-facing capabilities. We are making good progress in this area as reflected in our digital solution ratings and the improvements in our client experience scores covered by Funeka and Kenny earlier. The next period will be shaped by the onset of cloud computing, the explosion of data, as well as the developments in AI and machine learning. These are all key enablers which we are embedding to enable our pivot to a platform organization. Importantly, we recognize that we can't do this alone and have therefore established important strategic partnerships with some of the biggest and the best technology companies in the world. As previously mentioned, I reflected on how the industry has changed over the last 20 years and how we responded to this. It is important to know that our journey hasn't been all smooth sailing. For this reason, we feel it is important that we reflect on our learnings to date, our successes, and on the steps we have taken to ensure that any missteps are not repeated. As already mentioned by Sim earlier, at the core of our learnings has been the acknowledgement that our transformation journeys, in particular, our core banking modernization journey in South Africa, have taken too long and cost too much to complete. We have a complex ecosystem that is expensive to run and will continue to simplify this. We have a high reliance on external expertise and have struggled to leverage our data to its full potential. To help ensure we don't repeat these mistakes, we have embedded heightened governance processes and are driving clearer accountability for delivery and benefits realization. Our transformation has also seen a shift towards agile ways of working, and our cloud migration journey is also underway. These actions have enabled rapid digital growth across our geographies and faster deployment of new products and solutions and improved product and stability of our systems. And lastly, we have forged strategic relationships with Salesforce, Microsoft, and Amazon, which will enable us to fast-track the build-out of our platform capabilities and support us in growing critical skills across the continent. Here, we illustrate the critical shifts required as we pivot to engineering capability required by a platform organization. Reflecting on the experiences of those who have done it before, we saw the need to move away from a traditional product and cost-focused technology function to a set of core engineering capabilities. To achieve this, we've amalgamated a series of existing capabilities as integrators and reorientated as a series of services focused on delivery of superior experience to our clients and our partners. These services include, among others, cloud migration, partner integration through APIs, and customer insights through data. Our 5 capabilities will enable our platform and ecosystem aspirations. The engineering capability have 5 distinctive portfolios. This includes technology and operations, which focuses on the delivery of integrated, reliable, simple, efficient, and scalable digital solutions to our clients and our platform partners. Security, which focuses on ensuring secure interactions with our clients and platform partners. Data analytics, which focus on repositioning our data as a service, where capabilities can both be used internally and with our partners to create value for our clients and the group. To achieve success, we are focusing on data analytics resources on the opportunities that add business value within the group at scale. This will be achieved through improved prioritization and a laser focus on key areas such as client and revenue growth, as well as optimizing the deployment of our 1,500 data analytics specialists and leading technology tools that we've got across the group. Partnerships will create robust and reliable mechanisms for our partners to engage with our platforms as well as participate in our ecosystem seamlessly. Our partnership delivery teams work closely with our client solutions and our client segment teams, forming holistic client services teams to help our partners engage with Standard Bank digitally through fit-for-purpose APIs. Finally, our real estate services, which focused on rethinking and reshaping our workspaces to better services our customer and partners and employees in the post-COVID world. This includes radically reshaping our traditional branch and corporate workspaces, as well as rethinking our client and partner services models. As noted by Funeka earlier in the Consumer and High Network client segment presentation, servicing customers will move beyond branches into smart digital channels and via our distribution partners. Supporting these 5 capabilities are 3 broader underpinning priorities which will help ensure the success of engineering. The first is rapid innovation and business agility. Through the leveraging of cloud partnerships, we aim to migrate our core applications to the cloud, ensuring a more robust and always on, always secure, and agile environment. The second is developing engineering skills. Sourcing critical engineering skills on the continent remains a huge challenge. We too have to invest and develop skills for ourselves as well as for the broader society. As noted by Sim earlier, we have launched the leading engineering skills development initiatives in partnership with Salesforce, Microsoft, and Amazon on the continent. Together, we hope to build critical skills and empower African businesses to sustain the 4th industrial revolution transformation journeys. By 2025, we hope to create approximately 50,000 certified engineers in the areas of data, cloud, security, AI, and others. We will also empower over 300 small to medium businesses to support the deployment of these critical engineers. Finally, we are also embedding the requisite engineering culture to enable us to win in the market. We aim to build a team of leading engineers who are passionate about servicing our clients and our partners, as well as providing superior solutions to meet their needs. We'll continue to foster a growth mindset with emphasis on learning it all rather than knowing it all. This will continue to position Standard Bank as a great place to work, allowing us to attract superior talent and enabling us to deliver on our aspiration. We have already started to make progress on realizing our engineering ambition. Ultimately, the proof is in the pudding, and we have already seen significant progress made in the achievements of these aspirations. In technology and operations, we have commenced our journey to simplify technology landscape. More than 120 systems have been decommissioned, and more than 100 applications have already been migrated to the cloud, providing an improved resilience. We have digitized more than 90% of all our branch-based transactions, supporting the strong growth in digital volumes referred to by Funeka earlier. We have also introduced more than 100 robotic process automation as we automate our operations processes. In security, we have commenced the journey to future-proof our security capabilities and have had no material security breaches in over 3 years. Independent assessments have consistently ranked us in the top quartile of global capabilities. For data analytics, we are now focused on driving increased commercial value from the key initiatives that capitalize on the unique footprint with our focus on effective execution at scale. An example of this is the collaboration with our client Transaction Capital to launch Authentify, a product designed to assist businesses enhance risk management, optimize cost and efficiencies, and improve cash flow and collection success ratios. Excellence in data and analytics is also implicit in our recent awards, Africa's Best Investments Bank and Africa's Best Bank for Wealth Management for 2021. This reflects our leading position in risk and business data and insights across investment banking, and the use of our leading portfolio and analytical tools for the benefit of our high net worth clients. We are targeting to onboard more than 1.2 million clients digitally with biometric data by end of 2021. This will be done using our leading facial recognition and artificial intelligence technologies. To date, we have onboarded more than 700,000 of these customers. In pursuit of seamless digital partner experience, we have enabled more than 300 APIs across the group, and we have seen over 40% growth in the utilization of these services in the last 6 months alone. Finally, in looking at our real estate, we have commenced the journey to right-size our corporate and branch real estate. We have removed more than 60,000 square meters of floor space since 2018. This translates into an annual cost saving of about 400 million. We are also partnering with our client segment teams to reimagine our services distribution models. Our recent partnership with Pick n Pay builds on this initiative. Our key success measures support the group's strategic priorities. In closing, from an engineering perspective, we have defined the 4 key measures of success as part of this journey. Firstly, we aim to have more than 70% of our core applications in the cloud by 2025. This will enable agile systems with superior production stability and an ability to deploy changes as customer needs arise. Secondly, through the integration of technology and operations, we aim to reduce legacy systems by between 20 to 30%. This will result in simpler system landscape, limit client friction points, reduce possible points of failure, and heighten production stability. We also aim to expand the use of our robotic process automation to automate our processes. Thirdly, through the technical enablement of our chosen partnerships and ecosystems, we aim to have a common set of universal APIs. We will measure success through our percentage of digital engagements with our partners. In this case, we aim to have more than 75% of our partners' engagements digitally enabled. And finally, we look to leverage our data capabilities to serve our customers in a superior manner. We will measure success through the data products and solutions deployed and through the shared value created. We aim to generate more than 6 billion rand worth of business value annually by 2025. To date, we've already noted more than 1.5 billion of annual business value created through data. These outcomes will assist in improving client and partner experience and reducing the overall cost to serve. It is important to note that as we shift towards a more technology-enabled organization, tracking technology costs in isolation will become less important. Arno will comment on our technology investment expectations and our save to invest approach in more detail a little bit later. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm excited to be leading the engineering function as we pivot to a platform organization. Our role as engineering is clear and our success measures have been clearly defined. I am privileged to be part of the Standard Bank Group leadership team leading this business transformation for the benefits of our clients, employees, partners, and our shareholders. Thank you for your attention, and I will now hand you over to David.